Good morning, students. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you to this class. From page number 13, adjectives A to Z on a platter. See, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun such as person, place, thing, or an idea. Okay, an adjective can tell color, that means red, blue, green. It can tell size, big, huge, little, shape, boxy, round, oval, triangle. Then taste, sweet, sour, bitter. Okay, please take out, open page number 13. Given below is a list of incomplete words related to food. Using the picture clues, fill in the missing letters to complete the words. See the first one, see the picture, it's a lemon, isn't it? Lemon. A dash I D dash C. Can you guess? A C I D I C, acidic. Okay, go to the second one. It's a bread, isn't it? Bread. So, but the bread is in black color and smoke is coming out. C P dash R dash N. You guess the answer? B-U-R-N-E. Burn. Yes, burn. This burn. Okay, the third one. C-E-E-Y. Can you see cheese in that picture? Okay, you fill that. Okay, missing letters. The fourth one, D dash dash Z Z L dash D. That's drizzled. Okay, D-R-I-Z-Z-L-E-D, drizzled. Next one, there's a mushroom that is eatable. E dash I B dash E. That's edible. E D I B L E, edible. Sixth one, F L A K Y, flaky. Flax, flaky. Next one, G O O E Y, gooey. Next one, honey. Okay, H-O-N-E-Y-E-D, honey. Ninth one, I-E-D, with your right answer. Okay. 10, J-U-I-Y. Can you write answer? So watermelon is given. You can write answer. Come to the next one. K-N-E-A-D-E-D, need. 12th one, L-O-W-F-A-T, that low fat food item. 13, M-N-Y. Easy one, you can write answer. 14, okay, can you see nuts in that food item? N-T-Y. You write answer. Okay. 15, it is French fries, isn't it? Fry. Okay, how they make fry? See the 15th one, O-L-Y. Can you write answer? 16th, P-U-R-E-E-D, parade. 17th, Q-U-E-A-S-Y, QC. 18th one, you are going to write answer. R-A-S-D is a simple one, okay. 19th, S-I-Z-Z-L-I-N-G. S-I-Z-Z-L-I-N-G, cycling. 20, T-A-N-G-Y, tangy. 21, see the picture, what is given? It is half-boiled egg, isn't it? Half-boiled egg. That's you are going to write, okay. U-D-E-R-O-K-D. See the 22nd one is written vinegar on the bottle, okay. V-N-G-R-Y. So can you fill? 23rd, W-H-I-P-P-E-D, whip. The 24th one, E-X-A-L-A-R-G-E, large. So there is a man, a fatty man. So what will come then? Can you write? 25th one, Y-U-C-K-Y, yuki. 26, Z-E-S-T-Y, zesty. Z-E-S-T-Y, zesty. Okay, please open page number 16. Data reading. A part. An infographic is a visual representation of data. Given below are infographics showing you what the world would like if it had just 100 people. So only 100 people. Complete the infographics by coloring the dots to match the data given alongside. The first one has been done for you as an example. 20 dots are colored red, 66 are colored green, and 14 are colored blue to match the given data given alongside. See the first question, age, okay. 20 would be children, okay. 20 would be children. That is in red color, isn't it? So 20 would be children, written in red color. Okay, children are in red color. Then we color 20 dots in red. See, 20 dots are colored in red. 66 would be adults. That is in green color, okay. See, now next part, 66 dots are colored in green. Can you see 66 green color dots? Okay, come to the next one. 14 would be 64 years and older. 14, see, 14 blue color dots. Okay, like that. Come to the second one. Second one, gender. 50 would be female. 50 would be female in red color. That is written in red color. So we are going to shade. We are going to color 50 dots in red. Can you color? Okay. Next. See, 50 would be male. That is written in purple color. So you are going to color 50 dots in purple. Okay. Take purple color and third one, region. There would be 61 Asians. 61 Asians in red color. So what you will do? See, you color, take red color. Okay. And You have to color 61 dots in red. Color in order, okay. Then 14 people from the Western Hemisphere. Okay, that is in, I think, in orange. Okay, see orange color. Okay, 14 dots in orange. Please color 14 dots. Then 13 Africans. That is in green color. So green color dots. We need 13 green color dots. Okay. Then 12 Europeans in blue color. Written in blue color. So you are going to color 12 dots in blue. Okay. Can you color 12 dots? The remaining 12 dots in blue. Okay, students, I am going to give fourth one. So okay, you are going to complete the fourth one. Okay, literacy 82 would be able to read and write. 82, that is in green color, so do it. Then 18 would not, that is written in red color. Please complete it. Okay, the fourth one. I think you have done it. Okay, come to the next page, number 17. Page number 17, B part. Count the dots in the infographics given below and then fill in the numbers according to the matching color code to complete the data given alongside. One has been done for you. The first one, food and shelter, nutrition. The second one, then water. First question, does 75 is written 75 people would have food and shelter. We count the green color dots and we write there. That's all. Then does would not in red color. Okay, we count the red color dots. How many? It's 25. 25 red color. So we are writing 25. Okay, like that. Come to the second one. Does would be dying of starvation. I think in black color. So under the nutrition, there is only one dot in black color. So what you will write? You have to write one. One would be dying of starvation. Third one, dash people would be undernourished, while dash people would receive adequate nutrition. So the orange color, how many? Orange color under nutrition is 17 dots. Okay, you have to write 17. 17 people would be undernourished, while 67 people, 67 green dots. 67 people would receive adequate nutrition. Next, dash people would be overweight, that red color. Okay, 15, we see 15 red color dots. So 15 we write there. Then fifth one, dash people would have access to clean drinking water. The blue color. Okay, blue color. How many dots? So there are 83 blue color dots. So we write 83. Okay, dash would not. I think in grey color. So there are, count the grey color dots. There are 17 grey color dots. Okay, we write 17. So 83 people would have access to clean drinking water and 17 would not. Okay, come to the C part. Read the infographic on language and then express each word language as a decimal and a fraction in lowest terms. In the table below, one has been done for you. If the world had only 100 people, okay, 52 would speak other languages, 17 would speak Chinese dialects, 8 would speak Hindustani, 8 would speak English, 7 would speak Spanish, 4 would speak Arabic, 4 would speak Russian. See the table. First one, language, is given other languages, Chinese dialects, Hindustani, English, Spanish, Arabic, Russian, and line. Okay, in order. The second one is decimal part. The third one is fraction. So first come to the fraction part. Okay. See the first one, 52 would speak other languages. 52 would speak other languages. So the fraction, how will you write 52 as fraction? You know, isn't it? Yeah. 52 by 100. That is fraction. Then come to the decimal part. Okay, can you change this fraction as decimal? How will you? Just divide by 100. 52 by 100. 0.52. That's all. See, second one is Chinese dialects. 17 would speak Chinese dialects. Okay, first you write fraction part. Okay, how will you write as fraction? 17 by 100. So now divide 17 by 100. What you will get? 0.17. That is decimal. 0.17. Come to the third one, Hindustani. So 8 would speak Hindustani. So can you write fraction? 8 by 100. So 8 divided by 100. What you will get? 0.08. That's something different. Okay. It's not enough. So we write 0. 0.08 is answer. That is decimal part. English. See, 8 would speak English. So write fraction part first. 8 by 100. Divide 8 by 100. What do you get? 0.08. Then Spanish. 7 would speak Spanish. So write fraction part. 7 by 100. 0.07 is the decimal. Okay, can you write 6 and 7 yourself? Okay, I am not going to give the answer. Please write in your phone. Okay. 6th, Arabic. 4 would speak Arabic. Write fraction part. Okay, now you write decimal part. Decimal. Come to the 7th one, Russian. See, 4 would speak Russian. Can you write fraction? You write as fraction first. Come to the decimal part. Can you write this as decimal? Okay, very good. Okay, thank you students. Saturday you submit this GK book and worksheet. So we will correct and give back. God bless you.